This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 29th of November. I'm Michael Groff. If you're up early hitting the stores for Black Friday, you're getting drenched here in the Phoenix area with the much advertised powerful Pacific weather system dragging a cold front through here this morning. Showers, thunderstorms, strong winds, hail, and colder temperatures are in as well. How long does the rain last? How cold do those temperatures get? Will we have any more rain in the forecast? Well, a lot going on. Let's dive in. First, the almanac from yesterday. We managed to sneak up to 70 degrees before the rain came in. The morning low, 57 for your Thanksgiving. 1/100th of an inch of rain officially in the bucket yesterday. We've had 1/3 of an inch of rain just in the last hour at Sky Harbor. And of course, many spots have seen a lot more, especially in western Arizona. They've been hammered, and the northern portion of the state is experiencing quite a bit of snow as the rain's coming down harder right now. I can hear it hitting the roof out there. All right, speaking of outside now, here just after 5 a.m., heavy rain in the valley, cloudy skies. We're at 50 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 48, humidity 94%, wind from the west at 21 miles per hour, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures out there, well, you can see where the cold front is. We've got 60s in the East Valley and much of Pinal County. Meanwhile, central and western Maricopa County, 40s and low 50s. Here's the current radar showing showers and embedded thunderstorms moving through the valley right now. It's starting to wind down just a bit across the western portion of the state, but that's good news because they were hammered with very heavy rain. Still some flash flood warnings ongoing, not only here in Maricopa County and flood advisories for the Phoenix area, but warnings continue as well for parts of Yuma and La Paz County as I do this update. The upper air look, our powerful Pacific weather system, is still off to the west, and it'll be scooting east as we go through the day today, so the rain will eventually be tapering off to showers, and the sun will start to come out as we go through the morning and afternoon hours. Here's the watch warning map. A number of winter storm warnings extend from the northern plains back toward the Rockies and out into the western states, including northern Arizona, where another foot of snow may occur for places like Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, and certainly several inches of snow still possible for places like Prescott and Payson. Also, we have a flash flood watch still in effect for Phoenix until 5 p.m. Number of flash flood warnings, including parts of Maricopa County, ongoing right now, and those will continue through the morning hours. Flood advisories for the greater Phoenix area because of the street flooding that's continuing. Those other red areas across parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, and parts of Minnesota I see up there too. Those are blizzard warnings. Convective outlook for today. We've got the marginal risk of severe storms over parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, a few thunderstorms possible. And I guess a couple of those could still put down some hail and gusty winds this morning. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Heavier totals up along the rim. Another system may start to affect us by the middle portion of next week. And we'll detail that and everything else, too, as we look at modeling right now. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And this is the upper look at about 18,000 feet. There's our cold upper trough moving through the western states. And so down at the surface, the cold front moves through here this morning. We'll still have periods of rain, and then we'll see the sun start to break out. Widely scattered showers still possible through the afternoon hours, and an isolated thunderstorm could occur as well. Our high temperature has already occurred today. That was just after midnight, was in the low 60s. We'll spend most of the day today in the 50s. We might try to crawl back toward the 60-degree mark. Then tonight, the rain is mainly out of here, and we'll start to dry out. Partly cloudy skies, lows in the 40s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs mainly in the mid and upper 50s. And then Sunday morning, we'll start the day out in the 30s and low 40s. High temperatures get back into the low and middle 60s. Monday, considerable cloudiness around here as another system is developing off to the west. Mainly high clouds, though. That's not going to slow down the warm-up. High temperatures get back to around 70, maybe even the low 70s. Same thing on Tuesday. Quite a bit of clouds around, high temperatures, low 70s. All right, here's Wednesday. And now we've got another system coming on in here, and this run of the GFS, a little less bullish on it. And we've kind of seen the models ping-ponging back and forth on this. Still, the idea is for another system, a fairly progressive one to come through here. This would be a warmer system, but it could still put down some rains. We've penciled in a 30% chance of showers for Wednesday at this point, but it's still pretty far out. This system may turn out to be nothing for us at all, but something that is on the table and something that we're going to watch for. Thursday, that's out of here. We're kind of between systems because another one's developing off to the west. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 6th. And that system is approaching the west coast, southwest flow out ahead of it. So some rain could be coming in here if that verifies as a more active pattern. Looks to remain across North America for a while. And then go down to Saturday, the 7th. That system transitions a little bit further to the east. So maybe some more rain in here for that weekend. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Sunday, December the 8th. And a ridge starting to build along the west coast, a drier northwesterly flow, so we would be drying out and perhaps warming up a bit. Temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period. It's got us nosing back up into the 70s early next week, and then more or less high temperatures fairly close to December averages. Overnight lows might be just a little bit warmer than normal, however. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you like our videos, then be sure to subscribe, share, like, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. My next video back here on Monday morning. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. So thank you so much. Have yourselves a wonderful Friday and a great weekend, everybody.